In today's video, I am going to teach you how to share Figma files. Start by opening your design in Figma. With your file open, look to the top right corner and click the Share button. This is your control center for who can see or edit the file. First, let's cover sharing via a secret link. This is the fastest option because you don't need anyone's email address. In the Share modal, change the main dropdown to anyone with the link. That setting means anyone who has the link you provide will be able to access the file. So use it when speed matters or when you are gathering feedback from a larger group. Next, choose the permission level. Select Can View if you only want people to look around, comment, and keep the design safe from unwanted changes. Pick Can Edit only for trusted collaborators who need to move layers, change components, or update copy. After you choose the right level, click Copy Link. Paste that link into your message, chat, or project thread and send it to your recipient. Keep in mind that link access travels with the link, so share it only in places you trust. Now, let's look at invitations via email. Use this when you want access to be limited to specific people or groups. Click the same Share button in the top right. Then type the recipient's email address in the invite field. Double-check the address to make sure it's correct. Then set their permission level to view or edit, just like before. When you are ready, click Send Invite. The person you added will receive an email notification with a link to join the file, and access will be tied to that email account. This keeps the audience tightly controlled and is great for sensitive work or formal approvals. As you share, a quick rule of thumb helps: view for reviewers and stakeholders, edit for collaborators who actively build the file. If you are ever unsure, start with view and raise permissions later. Remember that viewers can still leave comments to give feedback without altering the design. If someone no longer needs access or their role changes, you can return to the Share dialog at any time to update or tighten permissions. Keeping these settings tidy helps protect your work while keeping collaboration smooth. That's it. Thanks for watching.